answer this example. X squared is equals to negative 8x. So of course we have the vertex starts at 0, 0. So first you're going to do is to find the axis of symmetry. It tells you where to open the parabola. So we have two only axes, x-axis and y-axis. Okay, let's answer it together. I'm not going to post the answer. You have to answer first. So what do you think is our axis of symmetry? Is it the x or it's the y? Okay, so I'll count in 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If your answer is y-axis, you are wrong because our y has the exponent 2, so 2 is curve. So again, I remind you that we don't care about the curve, so we're going to choose the x because x has exponent 1. 1, okay, represents line. So our axis is x-axis. So our parabola, it's either opens to the left or opens to the right. So we're going to choose later. Okay, so latus rectum. What is the length of our latus rectum? So it is the answer is in the equation itself. Okay, so what is your answer? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so what is your answer? If your answer is negative 8, you are wrong because the question is length. It's a distance or haba in English, Tagalog. Okay, so if your answer is 8 in length, I forgot the word in, so 8 in length means or 8 units, you got the correct answer. So our latus rectum has 8 units or 8 steps. Okay, so next one is the focus. Again, it is length. Okay, it's a distance. So again, what is your focus? What is the length of your focus? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So remember, focus is 8 in A in length. A. Okay, ma'am, can we use other variables for the focus? Yes, you can use other letters of the alphabet, but here we're going to use A. Okay, so if your answer is negative 2, you are wrong. Okay, remember, we don't have negative distance. The positive and the negative signs just tell you where to go. It is in the positive numbers or negative numbers. Okay, so you are wrong if you get the negative 2 you as your answer. Okay, so sorry, it's not x, it's an. Okay, so remember latus rectum, which the length is 4a, so you divide it by 4 to get the a. So what is our latus rectum? 8 in length. So 8 divided by 4, our answer is 2. So 2 in length means 2 steps or 2 units. So our focus is 2 units. 2 units in length from the vertex. Okay, remember, if you are the vertex, the point in front of you is the focus and the line at your back is the directrix. So they have the same length. Okay, so what is our focus point? So maybe we're going to answer that later if we have the drawing. Next, directrix equation. So it is line. So again, the same lang po ang distance ng from the vertex to focus and the vertex to directrix. So if you're going to ask the length of the directrix from the focus, siya pa rin po ay 2 in length. So now we're going to draw our parabola. So this is our drawing. So remember, we have vertex at 0, 0. Okay, let's have this one 0, 0 vertex. Okay, so we have the focus first. We have, so the latus rectum is 4a in length, which is equals to 8. So our focus length, as you can see, focus length natin is 2 in length. So which is a is equals to 2. Okay, so we're going to, again, first where to open. So we are in the x-axis. Yan. So ito po tayo. So again, where to open? It is going to the left or going to the right. So since we have negative number here, it means we're going to the negative sign. Negative numbers. Okay? So we're going to the left. Left po tayo. Okay? So next is the focus, which is A in length. So we're going to count from vertex 2 units going to the left. So 1, 2 kasi negative po siya. So 2. So ito ang ating focus. So what is the focus point? Ang focus point natin ay negative 2, 0. Okay? So yung focus point natin. And then next, what is the length of latus rectum? It's 8 unit. Means to say you're going to divide it by 2 kasi arms po yan. Magkasing haba lang po ang dalawang nating braso. So it means to say 2 units going up and 2 units going down. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Ay, 4. Ito po siya. Okay. So yung 4 units going down pa rin. So 4 units, 1, 2, 3, 4. So its length, haba po. 4 units or 4 steps going up, 4 units going down. Okay? So again, you can draw your vertex na, your arms na. So you can draw a line connecting, passing through the focus. Okay? So, ang kulang na lang natin ay directrix. Ang directrix ay the same as A in length. So, 2 units po mula sa vertex, magbibilang ka na naman. So, 1, 2. So, hindi po siya point, but you can put the point para po matandaan niya po na ang vertex, harap ay focus, at ang kanyang likod ay directrix. Kung saan, magkapareho lang po ang kanilang mga haba. Okay, so yan po ang ating directrix. Ano ang ating line? So, syempre, ikaw ay nasa 2, so x, okay, so x is equals to 2. Okay po. Ma'am, bakit po x equals to 2? Ibig sabihin po kasi, yung lahat ng point sa linya na to, merong kang x, di ba? Ang point ay x and y. Yan po ang point. So, ibig sabihin, lahat ng x natin ay 2 at yung y nagbabago lang. So, for example, 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4. 2, negative 1, 2, negative 2, 2, negative 3, 2, negative 4. So, lahat siya ay 2. So, ganyan lang po ang paggawa ng ating line. So, ayan na po. Kompleto na po siya. Again, una mo muna, axis of symmetry. Where to open, left or right. And then, yung haba ng atong latus rectum, dahil i-divide mo yan sa 4, para makuha natin yung length ng ating focus. Ang length po ng focus mula sa vertex ay pareho sa length ng focus papunta naman sa directrix. Papunta sa harap mo at papunta sa likod. So, abang po sa assignment, ipapasa ko na.